data centers are evolving fast. Increasing data speeds and performance requirements mean that the way you connect your critical networking equipment in the data center is always changing. You need a flexible, easy-to-assemble solution that can protect, segregate, and manage your data center's critical fiber infrastructure. GigaDuct is the ideal solution. It is easy to assemble and includes a wide variety of straight duct, reducers, T-junctions, intersections, elbows, and innovative outlets, all designed to help you meet the needs of your data center space. The GigaDuct system includes the innovative tool-free coupler that provides a safe, quick, and easy method for connecting components together. Available in a variety of sizes, our coupler makes installation easy. Simply lift the locking lever into the unlock position and it can be reused as needed throughout the system. The Express Waterfall outlet is a clever fibre outlet available in 3 sizes, which can easily be placed over the sidewall of any new or existing channel to create a vertical drop-off from the horizontal run. The Waterfall also features a hinged rear section, allowing for easy access and cable routing. Available in a range of sizes, the ducting provides a more secure, reliable and effective alternative to traditional fibre routing solutions, such as wire basket trays. For effortless setup, seamless flexibility, and a system that is built to scale, choose GigaDuct from HellermannTyton.